Hello students, our chapter is Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Today we are going to discuss about cyclones. What is cyclone? How the what is the formation and the structure of cyclone? How a thunderstorm becomes a cyclone? Clouds are formed due to water vapor in the air. As the water turns into vapor, it takes up the heat from the atmosphere. When the water vapor turns into clouds and falls back as raindrops, the same heat is released back into the atmosphere. See, what happens is from the ocean surface, water evaporates, and this evaporated water comes into contact with the cold air. Then it forms clouds. So, low pressure develops at the center. Wind also forms around it. As the pressure in the center area decreases, the speed of the wind around it increases. So what I said is this leads to decreasing the air pressure in region. That's what I said. Pressure in the eye weakens. So eye means I'll tell you in the structure that is called as a calm area which is present at the center of a cyclone. Okay. So low pressure region is created. So strong winds start revolving in the low pressure region. So this is the condition for a cyclone. What is a cyclone? See, cyclone is a giant spinning storm caused by the winds blowing around a central region of low atmospheric pressure. Usually, cyclones develop over tropical seas. It is a violent storm with a wind speed of 150 to 250 km per hour. Usually, it is accompanied by strong winds and heavy rains. Formation of a cyclone. Usually, cyclone depends upon three factors while forming. Depends upon the different factors, that is temperature of the particular place and the speed of the wind, direction of the winds and the humidity of the place, that is the moisture of the place. Formation and structure of a cyclone. See how these tropical storms are formed, that is hot humidity and ocean temperature of over 26 degrees Celsius are major contributing factors. So I already said that water evaporates from the ocean surface and it comes into contact with the cold air. So it forms cloud. So in the center area, the center of the cyclone is a calm area which is called as eye of the storm. So low pressure develops at the center. So as the pressure decreases, what happens? The speed of the wind around it increases. So it turns into a massive cyclone. Structure of a cyclone. Cyclone is a rotation of air in the atmosphere at a height about 10 to 15 km. The center of the cyclone is called eye of the storm, which is a calm and clean area where there will be no clouds but only light winds will be there. The eye of the storm ranges from 10 to 30 km in diameter. The cloud region lies around this eye and it has a diameter of 150 km. Usually the cyclone, that is the cloud region, has high speed winds blowing at 150 to 250 km per hour, accompanied by heavy rainfall and strong winds. So first indication of a cyclone is strong winds. Then only it pushing away the water from the shores. It is a this picture is a flow chart which is helpful to understand the formation of clouds and falling of rain and creation of storms and cyclones. At first, difference of what happen is for two different regions there will be difference in temperature. Later, it sets convection in air. What is convection? See, movement of molecules or particles within a fluid due to change in temperature. Earlier what we said, there will be a difference in temperature. That's why convection arises in air due to difference in the temperature. So what happened? Warm air rises, which creates a low pressure area. So due to this low pressure area, what happens? Cool air gets converges. So warm air rises, cools, and the water vapor condenses to form clouds. The bigger water drops in the cloud fall to the ground as rain, hail, or snow. What is hail? That is frozen rain, okay, which falls in showers. And then what happened? These falling water droplets and rising air move vigorously to produce thunderstorm. Under certain condition, what happened? These storms may develop into cyclones. See, it is very simple. At first, between two regions, there will be temperature will be different. So it gives to convection in air. So what is convection? The movement of particles or molecules within a fluid due to change in temperature. So what happened? Warm air rises. So due to this, it creates a low pressure area. And then cool air converges in the low pressure area. And then warm air rises, cools, and the water vapor condenses to form clouds. And then from the clouds, water drops as a rain to the ground, either rain or hail or snow. And then these falling water droplets, and then it gives rises to the rises air move vigorously to produce thunderstorm. Under certain weather condition, these storms may develop into cyclones. Answer the following questions. What is a cyclone? What is the eye of a cyclone? Draw the formation of a cyclone. Refer chapter 8, page number 88. Which one of the following places unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? Chennai, Mangalore, Amritsar, Puri. Why are cyclones more frequent along the coastline of India?